In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these A-level math questions under derivative or differentiation. So guys, we're going to practice with about 8 to 10 likely repeated questions this in this video. Alright, so let's get started. The first question I have here says the derivative of this function is what? So this question involves product rule. If you want to show working, we are going to practice with a calculator to solve it faster. Scientific calculator is allowed for your A-level maths. So this is a calculator we are going to work with for this problem. Now, the very first thing you have to do will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. Very important. So to reset, press shift, button 9, fill the instructions, press 3, press equal to, and press equal to again. So it's now reset. Now the next thing we are going to do will be to ensure that the calculator is in radian. Very important. Okay, because by default it used to be in degree. This calculator D here shows degree. So to put it in radian, all you need to do is to press shift mode. Then radian is option 4. Press 4. It's now in radian. If you check carefully, this D has changed to R. It stands for radian. Now the next thing you're going to do will be to store a number we used to do the derivative or find the differentiation, of which I highly recommend. So you can work with any other number you want, but I highly recommend 2, guys. So to store 2 on the calculator, press the value 2, then press shift this RCL button. Once you store it as X, press this button here. You will see X in pink written on top, so it will show that 2 has been stored as X on the calculator. Okay, we are good to go. So let's find the derivative of this function. So to bring out the derivative sign on the calculator, press shift this button. You will see definite integral sign written on it. So this is d over dx. So let's impute the function. The question is starting with a bracket, with an opening bracket. So you open the bracket, you put 2x. Follow me, guys, so you get this. Okay, to bring out x, press alpha and the s button will come out. Okay, plus 1, close the bracket, open another bracket. We have 3x alpha x plus 1. So that's it. Close the bracket. You have to ensure that the brackets are balanced. The ones at the right are balanced with the ones at the left. If they're not balanced, you end up having syntax error. By the time you have done imputing your values, as you can see, we have 2 brackets at the right. We also have 2 brackets at the left. Okay, so it shows that this is balanced. Okay, yeah, it shows that this is balanced. Or you can say generally we have 3 brackets at the right. This 2 we have here, 1 2 plus this 1 3. We also have 3 at the left, 1 2 and this 3. So the brackets are balanced. Basically that's what I'm trying to say. So let's go to this place and put the 2 restored. Very important. So we're good to go. Press equal to, it will solve the problem for you now. 29. Okay, so right now we're going to check the options. Anyone that gives us 29 will be the answer. Okay, now let me show you something now to tell you the essence of balancing bracket. If I remove one bracket here now, it will no longer be balanced. Let me press equal to. I'm going to have syntax error. You see, syntax error, which is not meant to be. So let's go back and put the one bracket removed here. Press equal to again. 29. Alright, so you have to ensure that the brackets are balanced. So we're good to go, guys. So let's do the options. Anyone that gives us 29 here will be the answer. Okay, so me looking at the answer will be option C. Let's check. So it will be 12 alpha this, sorry guys, alpha this s button plus 5. So this will give us 29 option C. Okay, so this is how I can do this. I'm making progress. Let's solve the next question. So this is the next question. It says if y equals 3 cos 4x, the y over the s equals was, well, asked to find the derivative of this function. So this is a trick function. Let's bring a calculator and solve this. Alright, as usual, we don't need to reset the calculator. I'm still going to work with the settings that we given the calculator. So the 2 is still stored is in radian. So let's go. Bring out d over dx on the calculator. We press shift and this in the integral sign button. So we have 3 cos, okay, 4x alpha and x. So that's it, guys. Balance the bracket. We have 2 at the left and 1 on the right. To balance it, put extra 1 here, okay, and the right is not balanced. So go to this place and put the 2 you stored. So that's it. Let's press equal to. We have minus 11.87. so right now we're going to evaluate the options. Anyone that gives us minus 11.87 will be the answer. Okay, so let's begin with option A. So we have minus 24 sine 4x. This is interesting, guys. What's equal to? No, we got minus 11.87. So let's check option C. Okay, C sine 8x. Close the bracket to balance it. Okay, so we have what's equal to minus 1.72. No, let's check option B. Okay, we skip B. Check option B. So we have 12 sine 4x alpha and this. Close the brackets. Okay, so what's going to give us? We have minus 11.87, so it basically have to be option D. The difference would be to put minus here. So that's all. 11.8. So right answer is option D. Okay, so it's as simple as this, guys. So that's it. Let's solve the next repeated question now. Alright, so the next repeated question is this one. Let's bring the calculator and solve this. Okay, so as usual, we are still going to work with the setting of the calculator. Let's bring out the derivative sign, press shift and this button. So it says if y equals x cos x, find y over dx. So if you have to solve this, I'm still going to use product rule. But let's do the calculator. So we have x alpha this to bring out x, then we have cos x alpha this, close the bracket to balance it. So we are good to go here and put the 2 is stored. Press equal to. So we have minus 2.23. Minus 2.23. Let's evaluate the options. Now that gives us minus 2.23 will be the answer. So let's begin option A. We have cos x. Okay, so let's close the bracket. Yeah, minus x. Okay, sin x. Close the bracket. Remember we got minus 2.23. Alright, so let's put equal and so we're going to have minus 2.23. Exactly the right answer is option E. So it's as simple as this, guys. So we're making progress. Let's check the next repeated question, like a question rather. So it says if y equals this function, find the dx over dy. So this time around now we are going to, if you have to solve manually, we're going to apply chain rule, but let's solve this with the calculator. It's very easy. So we're still going to work with the setting of the calculator. So now let's bring the derivative function. Going to be shift and this. So we have open bracket, we have 2x alpha x plus 1, close the bracket, then put the power on the exponent and balance the bracket. Very important. Okay, bracket is already balanced. Yeah, we have 2 at the left bracket and to the right, so it's balanced, guys. So come here and put the 2 you stored. So this is a function we have here as a question. Let's press equal to. We have 150. So let's simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 150 will be the answer to this question. Alright, so let's begin with option A. So we have 3 in bracket 2x, alright, plus 1, close the bracket. No, so let's take option B. We're having a square here, then put 6 here. It has to be option B. Let's check 150, yeah, option B. So it's as simple as this, guys. We're making progress. Let's check the next question. Okay, so it says given d by dx, so this is a function log in bracket 4x cubed minus 2x bracket close is equal to what? So let's find the derivative of this function. Let's do the calculator. Alright, so as usual, it's sitting on the calculator. I'm still going to work with it. So bring out the derivative function, shift and this button. So we have open brackets, we have log 4x cubed, use this power function. Okay, we have minus 2x, yeah. Then we have to balance the bracket. To balance it, remember we are having 3 brackets at the left. So to balance the bracket, we are going to make this place to be 3. Okay, very important. So number of brackets are not balanced. So go to this place and put the 2 restored. Yeah, so that's it. So let's press equal to now to see the output. So we have 0.713. Right now, we're going to evaluate the options. Anyone that gives us 0.713 will be the answer to this question. 0.713. So let's begin with option A. So we have 12x after this. Remember we got 0.713. Okay, so we have square minus 2 over 4x cube, okay, minus 2x. So that's it. Press equal to see the output. To put it in decimal, this is in fraction, press this SD button. No. So let's take option B. Let's just adjust it, guys. So we have 4x square. So go to the numerator. We have, okay, minus 2 b square. Yeah, so that's it for option B. Let's put equal to the output. Press SD. No. So let's take option C. For option C, we have 7x. Okay, go to the numerator. We have x. Okay, we have 43 s square. Put a square here. So that's it. We're good to go. Press equal to 12. No. So let's take option D. It has to be option D. So yeah, we have 7x plus 6. Okay, no x here. Alright, so we have remove this. Press square minus 2 over 7x plus 6. Okay, so let's put equal and see the outputs. Press SD. 0.713. So the right answer is option D. Okay, remember we got 0.713 when we differentiated, so it's equivalent to 0.7. 0.713 is equivalent to 0.7. Okay, so the right answer is option D. It's as simple as this, guys. Okay, so let's remove this now. Solve the next question, which is this one. So it says if y equals define the variable by dx. So this we are going to still make use of chain rule if we have to solve manually, but let's solve with the calculator. Let's do the calculator. Okay, so we are still working with the setting of the calculator. So we press shift and this button for derivative sign to come out. So open bracket, we have 2x. Okay, plus 2. So put the cube sign. Yeah, the brackets are balanced. We have to the right and to the left. Come here and put 2 is stored. So that's it. Press equal to 216. Right now we're going to evaluate the options. You know what that gives us 216 will be the answer. Okay, 216. So let's begin with option A. We have 6 in brackets 2x alpha and this. Okay, plus 2. Close the brackets. Put square. Press equal to 216 option A. So that's the answer to this question. We're making progress, guys. Let's replay question with this one. It says if y equals 3 sine this 3 sine in bracket minus 4x divided by the x is 1. So we're looking for the derivative of the function. Let me calculate and solve this. Okay, so we're still working with the 6 in the calculator. So we're still working with the 2 is stored. So we're going to have shift this. So the question, we have 3 sine in bracket minus 4x. So that's it. Balance the bracket. We have 2 at the left, 1 on the right, and extra 1 here. So now balance. Come to this place and put the 2 is stored. So that's it. Let's spread the code and see what the output is going to give us. We have 1.746. Right now, let's evaluate the options. Anyone that gives us 1.746 will be the answer. Okay, let's do option A. We have 12 sine minus 4x. Close the brackets. Remember, we got 1.746. Okay, no, let's check option B. So let's remove this and put cos, yeah, and put minus here. So that's it. Press equal to, yeah, 1.746 option B is the right answer to this question. Very interesting, guys. We're making progress. So lastly, let's check the question 10 before we end the video, which is this one. It says if y equals this function, find the derivative dt at t equals -1. Okay, so let's run a calculator. Okay, now guys, pay attention to this very particular question. As you can see, we are no longer dealing with the y over the x, we're not dealing with the y over the t. Okay, so it's still the same thing. The only thing there is that you just have to replace the t with x on the calculator. Just move the t and see it as the x divided by the x. And again, if you check our t equals -1, just see it as x equals -1. Okay, because they are specific here with the value of x. All the previous ones we have solved, they didn't specify the value of x, but this time around they have specified the value of x to be -1. What this means is that we are going to remove the 2 you have stored already on the calculator and now store this specific number they are given to be the value of x, of which is being represented with t here. So we're going to now store x as -1 instead of 2. Okay, so they are specific here. T is -1 and we're taking our t as x on the calculator. So that's basically what you need to do. Okay, and you'll be good to go. So to be on the safer side, I recommend you clear and start afresh, because this question is kind of peculiar. To do that, you press shift button 9 for instructions, press 3, press equals and press equals again. So let's go back to radian mode, press shift and this mode button. Radian is option 4. Okay, so let's store x as -1. You press -1, shift this house here button, once you set as x, so x is now stored as -1. So it's as simple as this. This is not rocket science. It's as simple as this. Okay, so let's find a function y equals this. Press shift and this definitely integral sign button. So we now have 3. Instead of t, replace it with x. 3x cube. Okay, then you come down here plus 2t squared, that's 2x squared, alright, minus 7t, that's minus 7x, okay, plus 3. So that's all, guys. It's as simple as this. the brackets are balanced, right? Yeah, let's verify. Yeah, brackets are balanced, 1 and 1. So let's come here and put the value stored. It's not 2 you're going to put here. Now what you're going to put here is negative 1. Very very important, guys. So we have minus 1. Okay, so that's it. Let's press of course in that to see the output. To have it for negative 2, option D. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving derivative or differentiation for your likely A-level math questions or any other external exam math questions you'll be writing that has to do with differential calculus. So guys, we practice with about 8 to 10 questions for these problems. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question at the comment section below. You should give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. Where we're getting premium information and help you to excel in external exams like your A-level maths and other external exams for writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the subscribe button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to say once you're done, just press shift button 9 for the instructions, press straight, press equal to, and press equal to again. Okay, so that's it, guys.